I'm here at the Friday Harbour Nature Preserve with Mara's dog walking service. This is Mara and this is Alyssa, and these are some cuties. So tell us how you got started in the dog walking business.
Yeah, so I always had a passion about dogs. I was a dog trainer in Germany, and in 2016 I moved to Canada and wanted to keep on with what I love. So I started my own business, and I just wanted the dogs to have a good time in the forest, on crates, making new dog friends while the owners are busy.
Amazing, amazing. And can you tell us what services you provide?
Yeah, so we mostly do group walks with 4 to 8 dogs usually. We usually go on trails into forests. The dogs will be on or off leash, but it all depends on the preference of the owner. If they are off leash, they also have the option to be on GPS. Just in case any run away, you can find them again. Yeah.
Do any of these doggies do tricks?
Yeah, this one does.
Good job.